This is a video on how to use Google Earth, another one of Google's tools. The Google Earth can come two different ways. There's a downloadable version, and there is a version that you use through a web browser. I will be showing the web browser version. The downloadable is much more detailed, um, but you also need to have space for it on your machine and run it from whatever machine you're working from. So I'll use the Google Earth through the web browser. To get there, you can either type in google.com/earth, or you can go to your 3x3 grid and scroll down until you see Earth and click Earth and give it a second to load. Now, looking at your menu down the left-hand side, we'll start with using a search. Google Earth itself will let you go through and take guided tours that are already pre-made. That is a big difference between the web version and the downloadable version, where you can go in and make your own guided tours on the downloadable version. For example, there's the world's oceans. We'll zoom out and take a look at a tour about the ocean. You have descriptions about the world's ocean. Um, Read through those, click on one of the spots, and it'll take you to that spot, zooming in and give you a description on it. And we'll click to the next one. There's a underwater marine reserve. So that's one way that you can go through and explore Google Earth. If you want to just run a search for something, whatever it might be, let's say we'll look at Egypt, since I've been doing reports on Egypt here lately. Let's make sure we spell it right. We'll take a look at the country, Egypt, and we'll zoom back out and give a little description on Egypt. Give you an idea as to where it's located, showing its borders. Um, there's a Voyager button that you can click. If you go to the Voyager button, it will give you all kinds of options for, again, pre-made tutorials or guided tours. You can search for different variations. You can look at the street view, layers. Street view is nice from the standpoint that you literally can go down and view different parts of the world at that level of the on ground level. You can look at nature, travel, education, take your pick, and use Google Earth to look at the world. Now I'll leave out of Voyager. The next button down is a little die. Just I'm feeling lucky. If you just feel like checking things out, don't really know what to look for, then click the I'm feeling lucky, and it will randomly pick one of the millions of places that Google Earth has mapped and people have uploaded images to, and you go check that spot out. Then you can make your own projects, which if you notice, even when with the I'm feeling lucky, there was a add to project button. If you want to make your own project, then you click project and we'll create a new one. And we'll make you can make it so that it saves directly into your Google Drive, or you can make a KML file. I'll go ahead and create one in Google Drive, and we'll do a new feature, and we'll search to add a place. And since we already had Egypt, we'll go ahead and use it. And Egypt will come back up on the map. And if I want to add Egypt to my project, then all I do is click the add Egypt to project or add the project. And you can give it a title, tell which project you're going to add it to, since it's untitled at this point. That's what we'll call it. You can just add more and more features to your project. And when you're ready to present, then you can go ahead and present. Presenting is just exactly what it says. It goes from one spot to the next within your tour that you've created.